is what you'll need for my fish soup. Some homemade fish stock. You can find how to make that in my other videos. Some salmon and prawns, carrots, garlic, celery, onion, parsley, tin of tomatoes and some cornflour to thicken it up a little bit. First thing we're going to do is get your veg washed and prepared. I'm going to chop the onion and celery into little squares. With your celery and onion chopped, time to get on with your carrot. To be a bit different, we're going to julienne, it's called, or to anyone else, turn your carrot into little matchsticks with a mandolin. If you ain't got a mandolin, just chop them into little squares like your onion and celery. But that's the sort of thing we're after. With your veg prepared, it's time to go in with a dollop of vegetable oil into a large pan, and then it's in with your celery, onion and carrots. Then into there you're going with a sprinkling of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. You're going to gently fry them away for 5 or 10 minutes till they all soften down. Pop the lid on your pan so they steam as well as fry. When your veg have had 5 or 10 minutes softening down, time to go in with 4 cloves of garlic. Get them mixed in, pop the lid back on and give them another minute to heat through. When your garlic's had a minute, and you know it's had a minute because you'll be able to smell it, you're going in with a heaped teaspoon of your cornflour and get that mixed in. When the flour's had a minute, time to go in with your chopped tomatoes. Give them a good stir around, and again, as always, pop the lid on and give them a minute to heat through. With your tomatoes heated up, next you're going in with your fish stock. I'm going to filter it again through some muslin cloth. With your fish stock in, time to pop the lid back on and just give that 5 minutes to simmer away. With your fish soup simmering away, it's time to get on with your salmon fillets. Take the skin off, and you can always freeze that and save it for next time you want to make some fish stock. And then we're just going to cut salmon up into little chunks. When your fish stock's had 5 minutes simmering, it's time to go in with your salmon chunks and chopped parsley. Save a bit of chopped parsley back so you can decorate your soup bowls. Then we're going to give that 10 more minutes simmering to cook the salmon through. With your salmon cooked, last thing to go in are your already cooked prawns. You're just going to give them a stir, heat them through, and it's ready to serve up. So get stuck in.